Good day, everyone. I am Joseph Ringriel, and today I will be reporting on an issue that continues to grow in our digital world, cyberbullying. I know many have experienced this pain, the feeling that every part of you is being turned down not by a hand, but by a keyboard. It's not a wound, but its emotional and mental impact is much deeper. This is the painful reality of cyberbullying. This isn't a simple joke to be ignored. It's the use of technology, like social media and messaging apps, to deliberately hurt, embarrass, or threaten other people. It can happen in many ways, spreading rumors, posting humiliating pictures, or sending threatening messages. That pain it causes is real and deep, often leaving lasting scars on the victim's heart. But there are things we can do to fight back. Block and report immediately. Don't get into an argument or give in to anger. Blocking the bully is an effective way to cut off their access and protect yourself from further harm. Before reporting, it's important to do documents or screenshot the evidence. Most social platforms have a feature to report malicious posts or comments, and it's important to use it. It's so the problem can. Don't hesitate to ask for help. You're not alone in this fight. Trust the people you love. Tell your parents, teacher, school counselor, or friend. Sharing your feelings is a huge step towards healing. Focus on positivity. Don't let negative comments ruin your day. Remember, the people who love and value you are more important. Fill your social media feed with things that make you happy. Remember, asking for help isn't a sign of weakness, but a sign of strength and self-love. Don't let negative comments and ruin your day. And your sense of self remembers the people who love and value you are more important. Fill your social media feed with things that make you happy and give you a positive outlook. Being resilient is the best defense. Be a voice for others who are also experiencing this.